Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, August 19, 2021. Here's an update on our 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. As you can see, we've got the inner skin of the bottom applied, and I'll just hand it off to Joe to walk us through where we are at this point.
Yeah, so right now we got the bottom skin all fastened down with 5200. What we're going to be doing next is using Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer, anywhere from 3 to 5 coats on the bottom skin. So that way when we start putting our new planks in, it's all going to be, all sealed, and it'll be ready for the whole thing to get a bath in 5200. The back side of these, or the build sides, already been sealed and, yes,
and painted,
bottom,
right?
Yeah, the inside has all been painted, as well as the clear penetrating epoxy sealer.
And a number of you have asked what we use in the bilge. We use Sandusky Paint Company's Chris-Craft Mahogany bilge paint. In our world, that is the only paint to put into the bilge of a Chris-Craft. Absolutely.
So basically, when we put down this skin, we want to make sure that every single bit of it has a nice tight seal of 5200. So each frame has been buttered with about an 1/8 inch of the Mahogany 5200. So that way, with the squeeze out on the inside, you won't be seeing white. You'll actually have the mahogany color as well. But along the keel and every frame has been buttered with that laid down. Some parts we had to use a few screws to suck it down complete to the frame, just because of the contour. Otherwise, they're all little brass ring-shank screw or nails. That way it sucks it down really nice, and it won't back up before we put the planks down.
Well, we still have the chine plank to put on, of course, and there's some final sanding and fitting along the chine itself. Other than that, we're right now allowing the 5200 a solid week of cure time, so that we know that everything is down and in place before we start fabricating entirely new planks for the bottom. The material we use for this skin is Meranti marine plywood by Aquatek. It's 7/16 of an inch thick. We like the Aquatek because it's hard as all get out and it bends nicely. So that's our update on the 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.